Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna to do another reaction. The reaction is the Dimash and another lady. I don't know that woman, the name of that woman, but she's really amazing. I like also. So make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share to your friends. So below you tell me how about my reaction. So make sure, don't forget, subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's reaction to Dimash, then that woman. So let's start it.
Aldarınızda kристина, орбакайте!
Wow. I don't understand guys this language. But Dimash is really amazing. Wow, who is she? Wow, she's also beautiful. Oh, oh, it's amazing. Oh. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Wow. Wow, guys, it's amazing. Oh. Oh. Wow, amazing. Beautiful voice. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, she's beautiful, huh? Oh. Oh, wow, beautiful. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, it's really amazing. So guys, it's really amazing. I like this video, Dimash, and I don't know that girl, that lady, the name of that lady, I don't know. So make sure you subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, like, comment and share to your friends. So love you all, take care and bye bye.